QNet Pro 7 server installation on Windows. The installer already includes every required component. This includes the Java environment, the application server, and the Elasticsearch database engine. No additional installation steps are required. On Windows, the installation process is simple. Start the installer. Click Next, then choose the server type you want to install. Standalone server. Runs the complete system on a single server. Ideal for single-site or central deployments. Master server. Acts as the central management node. Stores configuration, collects statistics, and controls connected slave servers. Slave server. Operates locally at a branch location. Mirrors configuration from the master server, and continues working even if the connection is lost. If you install a slave server, enter the connection details of the master server. Provide the access URL of the master server. Enter a unique WebSocket identifier for this slave server. Then enter the API key. The API key can be copied from the administration page by selecting Technical User for slave servers. For every server type, the next step is configuring the HTTP port and the SSL certificate. For secure HTTPS communication, enter 443 as the HTTP port. Then choose the certificate type: self-signed SSL, JKS key store, or key and certificate files. Select the certificate file location and enter the certificate password. Next, you can define your own JWT secret and Smart Token secret. These cryptographic keys sign and verify tokens, ensuring data authenticity and integrity. Leave these fields empty if you want the installer to generate secure values automatically. On the final page, choose whether the service should start automatically after installation is complete. To allow remote access to the system, the required communication ports must be enabled on all firewalls involved in data transfer. In Windows Firewall, create a new inbound rule. For local ports, use the same values that were defined during installation. By default, TCP 3000 is used for HTTP connections. TCP 443 is used for HTTPS connections. TCP 8000 is required for communication with the device controller. It may also be necessary to adjust the memory usage of the Java virtual machine. This can be done by starting the Service Manager batch file from the installation folder's bin directory. Based on the available physical memory of the server and the expected system load, estimated from the number of branches and daily transactions, the default 4 GB maximum memory pool may need to be increased. After a successful installation, restart the computer or start the service manually. Wait a few seconds and then open the application start page in a browser using the server host name or IP address and the configured communication port.